motorcycle classic sports car. Today we're pleased to offer you this lovely little Morris Mini Minor. It's a 1964 car, April 1964, finished in Almond Green with a white roof, white grille. It was a Mini Super. It's got the Deluxe pack, which is opening rear windows, a heater, twin washer jets, 3 dials in the centre console there. Lovely car, older restoration, 57 years old, almost 58. It's ticking over now, runs as sweet as a nut. Paintwork's very nice, there's no corrosion. Interior's lovely, we'll come back to that in a moment. Gaps are fairly good for a Mini. Just charming all over, all the glass is in good order. 10-inch wheels, this is a dry suspension one, 1964. Everything works on the car, it's good on the road, we'll take you up the road shortly too. Quite a nice history file with lots of invoices. Little 850 unit there, ticking over like a sewing machine. It's got an alternator on it. Inside the car, very nicely trimmed and carpeted. Just detail in general is lovely. That's about the only mark you can see on the car, a little bit off the corner of the horn rim there. Headlining all good. Interior light works. Inside the back, again, carpets and seat. The door pockets with the ashtrays in there. These opening rear windows all working. So very nicely finished off indeed. Quality of the restoration was very nice, done some 8 years or so ago. All the seat frames, no rust or anything on them. It's got new seat belts. Again, everything just in really nice clean condition. Right, this is a early car. It's got the Mk1 gearbox. We've got the push button start there. Got the indicator switch with the illuminated end there. Got these 3 dials there. All the interior, the clock lights and everything are all working. Oil pressure on tick over is good. We'll give it a lower rev. So there we are, twin sun visors there. So that's the Mini so far. We'll take you for a buzz up the road in it in a moment. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this lovely little 1964 Morris Mini Minor. Lovely place to be inside this. I've really been looking forward to this road test. It just brings me back to my youth. Car is exactly the same age as the day as me, 14th of April 1964. Okay, we're tootling along quite nicely, 40 mile an hour, 4th gear here. As we come down the gears, we've got this Mk1 gearbox of the little Mini, we've got original driver's handbook for the original bill of sale, delivered on the 14th of April 1964 for the grand sum of £510, 14 shillings and twopence. And we've got the V5 registration document there showing just 8 previous keepers. It's a few old MOTs going back really to the early 90s when the mileage was recorded as 79, so it's not done many miles. It's showing just under 10,000 now, so it's probably done less than 10,000 miles since 1992. And then there's loads and loads and loads of invoices, mainly for parts rather than labour. Looks like the restoration, by the looks of the bills, looks like the restoration was sort of carried on around 2014. So that's it. So quite a nice little history file for the next keeper.